In this video, we are going to talk about the top 7 passive income ideas. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Whether you're attempting to start a side business or are just looking to make a little extra money each month, passive income can be a wonderful approach to help you generate extra cash flow. This is especially true now that the economy is experiencing widespread inflation. When times are good, passive income can help you make more money. It can also help you get by if you suddenly lose your job, decide to take time off work, or if inflation keeps eating away at your purchasing power. If you can develop a reliable passive income source, you may wish to take a little time off from your principal job while still having money pouring in from it. A passive income gives you additional security in any case. Here is the list of top passive income ideas. Let's start. Number 7. Flip retail products. Use internet marketplaces like eBay or Amazon to your advantage and resell items you find elsewhere for a discount. You can make money by arbitraging the difference between your purchase and sale prices, and you might be able to attract customers who follow your bargains. The pricing discrepancies between what you can locate and what the typical consumer might be able to discover will allow you to profit. If you have a contact who can provide you access to inexpensive goods that few other people can find, this might work particularly well for you. Or perhaps you can locate precious goods that others have merely missed. Number 6. Rental income. Renting out real estate is a good strategy to generate passive income, but more effort than individuals anticipate is frequently required. According to John H. Graves, an accredited investment fiduciary, AIF, in the Los Angeles region and author of The 7% Solution, you can afford a comfortable retirement. If you don't invest the time to understand how to make it lucrative, you risk losing your entire investment. Number 5. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is where you sell products on your website but don't keep the stock yourself. Instead, once an order is placed on your website, you contact the wholesaler or merchant and pass the order on to them. They arrange the packing and delivery direct to your customer, so you don't have to. The resources available to a retailer for their own marketing will be constrained. They collaborate with dropshipping businesses because they can spread their product far more widely through them than they could on their own. They are able to sell more units as a result without spending more on marketing. It's crucial to do your homework before choosing dropshipping partners for your e-commerce home business. To avoid dealing with many dissatisfied consumers, you must locate trustworthy providers. You lose control of the quality when you let the wholesaler handle the packaging and transportation of your goods. Finding the appropriate partners is crucial. Number 4. Affiliate marketing. Through the use of a link on their website or social media account, bloggers, social media influencers, or proprietors of websites can promote a third party's product. The most well-known affiliate partner may be Amazon, but other well-known brands include eBay, Awin, and ShareASale. And for companies trying to build a following and advertise their wares, Instagram and TikTok have grown into enormous platforms. To draw attention to your blog or otherwise point people toward goods and services they might need, you might also think about building an email list. Because you might theoretically make money by just posting a link to your website or social media account, affiliate marketing is regarded as passive. In actuality, you won't make any money if you can't get visitors to your website who will click on the link and make a purchase. Number 3. Trading. Long-term investors often use the adage time in the market beats timing the market. Why does that matter? In other words, using a buy and hold strategy, where you keep stocks or other securities for a long period rather than frequently purchasing and selling, is a common technique to make money in stocks. Take into account the fact that, according to Putnam Investments, throughout the 15 years up until 2017, the stock market generated a 9.9% annual return for those who kept their investments in full. However, if you often entered and exited the market, your prospects of realizing such gains were compromised. Number 2. Selling courses. The fundamental product of your company, the content, must be valuable and helpful if you want to succeed. The first step in developing a course is to pinpoint a particular market niche. Identify a problem that your target audience is dealing with to do this. What issue will your course help to tackle? You could ask. Assume for the moment that you are interested in developing a course in customer success management and work in the customer service industry. You can start by examining current courses in this field, ideally best sellers, and determining what is lacking from them. Although it has a lot of useful information, it is missing certain crucial components, like case studies, a methodology for measuring customer success, advice on how to become a better customer success manager, and checklists. Using your experience, you can improve your course and give your students even more benefit. As you can see from the example, you must conduct study to identify an issue in your region. Visit markets to find out what content your rivals are providing, spot any gaps, and develop a superior course that offers students more value. Number 1. Cash cow channels. Choosing a niche is the first step in launching a YouTube cash cow channel. This might be anything from business and marketing to health and fitness. Now, certain markets will pay more, while others will pay less. However, it's crucial to pick an area in which you have some expertise or experience because doing so will make content creation simpler. Without adding any unnecessary complexity, I'll walk you through the process of creating a profitable YouTube channel. Starting a cash cow channel on YouTube is just as easy as starting a regular channel, but there are a few considerations to make. The next stage is to generate some basic ideas for videos after you've chosen a niche. I advise you to locate at least 50 subjects for timeless videos that YouTube users type into the search field. The themes that people search for on YouTube are known as searchable topics. For example, individuals frequently look up how to lose weight and how to make money online on YouTube. You won't receive any views if you make videos about subjects that nobody is searching for because your channel is new and has no subscribers yet. To get the initial traffic and audience that YouTube search results will offer us, we must rank our videos there. That's it for today. We hope you found our video interesting. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new uploads. In the end, thanks for watching, and see you next time.